it's me, Kiki, and today I'm going to be making pita. And in English it's called cheese pie. We decided to do it outside because it's very sunny. You'll be needing ricotta, 300 grams of ricotta, 300 grams of feta, cheese, 3 eggs, half a cup of milk, a whisk, 5 puff pastries layers. You need olive oil spray. If you don't have olive oil spray, you can just use normal olive oil. You need salt and pepper. You need a pan, and that's really it. So let's go. Before we get started in making the pita, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. The first thing we need to do is get your olive oil spray to spray your pan. Now after I sprayed the pan, for the pita to stick, we need to lay all the pita, the puff pastry. So you take off the blue part and you lay it like this and leave some hanging out. So repeat this process until you cover the bottom of your pan. It doesn't really matter what size your pan is. I have one more to do, because my pan only does 3 puff pastries. So I have finished putting them on the bottom, and now we are going to the second step. Next step is to crumble your 300 grams of feta into the pan with the puff pastries. What I like to do is just squeeze it and break it in half, but then it'll be easier to crumble. And make sure there's no like giant pieces in there. I'll be back to you when I've done crumbling the 300 grams of feta and 300 grams of the ricotta cheese. Now I've finished breaking up the ricotta and the feta. You can buy feta anywhere. It doesn't really matter what type you use. Now we're going to be mixing the milk and the 3 eggs. First, pour your milk into your bowl. Half a cup of milk you pour. And now crack your 3 eggs in there. Try not to get any shell in there. Oh, I got some egg on my hand. Thanks for my Nana Emily for getting this Cooking with Kiki apron for my birthday. And now you need to get your whisk and whisk them both together. Make sure it's nicely mixed. And after it's been all mixed and it's nice and orange, you have to add your salt and pepper. You only add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. You don't add too much. You're gonna be pouring it on the feta and feta. So, pour it everywhere. The next step gonna do is fold your pastry here, like in the middle, be like this, and fold it here, and then fold your little corners that you have. And to all secure it, you need to add one more puff pastry. Now I added the last final sheet on top and I cut it up a little bit. Now we're gonna add a little olive oil, or you can still use olive oil spray. I like to use olive oil. So put a little bit of oil on top to make it nice. Or you can use butter. Here's some chunks of butter. That's enough. You're gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes. We took it out of the oven. We let it cool for 20 minutes. So I finished cutting a little piece for me. Now I'm gonna put it on my plate. Now I'm gonna try this bit of pizza. Really nice. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram and Musical.ly. It's Cooking with Kiki. Say bye.